We received a 1-year-old kid following a bike spoke accident at his home. He was referred from Krishnagiri and arrived to our hospital 2 hours after the injury. On arrival, they were suggested a replantation of the middle finger and a revascularization of the index finger. They did not agree for the procedure till the morning. In the morning, around 8 a.m., I arrived. I examined the part under a microscope and I told that a replantation is very much possible. After discussing with the patient and telling them that we will not charge them for replantation if the replantation procedure is not successful, they agreed for the same. Once we got the consent, we went ahead and revascularized the index finger and replanted the middle finger. Both the fingers survived, and the patient and parents went back happily after the procedure. Below you can see a late picture after replantation showing the child actively using the replanted and revascularized fingers. The message of this video is basically to tell that replantation and revascularization of fingers and digits is very much possible and should be attempted at every possible moment, and every patient should get an opportunity to get his fingers replanted or revascularized to save them. It greatly improves the hand function and body image of the patient. Thank you.